How do you bleed water lines after turning off the house's water supply? Imagine turning off your home's main water valve to fix a leak or prepare for winter, then wondering how to clear out any trapped air. That's what bleeding your water lines is all about. When you shut off the main supply, air can get trapped inside the pipes. If you don't remove it, you might notice sputtering faucets, reduced water pressure, or even banging noises called water hammer. Bleeding the lines helps keep your plumbing working smoothly and prevents damage over time. First, locate your main water shutoff valve. It could be inside your house in a basement or utility room, or outside near the foundation. Older homes often have a star-shaped gate valve, while newer ones might have a lever-style ball valve. If the valve is stuck or corroded, it's best to call a professional. Next, turn off the main water supply completely. Once it's shut, open every faucet in your home, both hot and cold. Don't turn them all the way on, just half turn is enough. Start with the faucet closest to the main valve and work your way to the farthest. This helps air escape from the entire system efficiently. When you open each faucet, listen for air escaping and watch for sputtering or spitting. Don't forget about appliances like dishwashers, washing machines, and the toilets. Flush each toilet several times, waiting about 2 minutes between flushes to let the system stabilize. Now slowly turn the main water valve back on. Do it gradually to avoid forcing air through the pipes too quickly. Let the water run for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, keep an eye on the faucets. The sputtering should lessen, and the water stream should become steady and clear. When you see consistent flow at all fixtures, that means most of the trapped air is gone. Once the water flows smoothly, close each faucet in reverse order, starting with the farthest from the main valve. This prevents air from being pulled back into the pipes. For toilets, flush again to refill the bowls properly. For appliances, run a rinse cycle or a quick wash to confirm everything is working fine. If you notice that only hot water lines are sputtering, the issue might be with your hot water heater. Some tanks have a flushing mechanism to help releases trapped air. Check your heater's manual for specific instructions. In some cases, trapped air can be stubborn. You might need to install a special T-joint with a valve at the highest point of your plumbing system. After shutting off the main supply, cut into the pipe at that high point, install the T and valve, then slowly open the valve to releases remaining air. Regularly bleeding your water lines after shutting off the main supply is a good habit. It prevents water hammer, improves water pressure, and keeps your fixtures working properly. Knowing where your shutoff valve is and how your plumbing is laid makes this process easier and faster. It usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour, but it's well worth the effort to keep your plumbing in top shape and avoid future problems.